Hi friends, welcome to Madhu's Creative Hub. Yet another Frida clay art. Okay, this time it is jewelries, a cute finger ring and a pair of earrings. Let's get started. First I'm going to take molded clay and mix them well. I'm going to roll it with a rolling pin and then take a bottle cap and try to take out two round pieces from this. I have spoken a lot about Frida on our pot painting, so if you are interested, please watch that video. I'm going to add two holes each on each of them so that later we can make it as an earring. Now I'm going to take these cutouts. This I got for 200 rupees, around 20 to 30 pieces. Very effective, and if you are new to clay art, then this is a very helpful tool. I am making flowers of different sizes here. This will act as Frida's hairstyle, so I will show you how on her finger ring one. The earring one, just we'll use that plate which we made and we'll paint on it. So here I'm going to take another round shape and then make it oval so that it looks like a face. Now I'm going to take two logs, that is I'm just going to make two long logs and then twist it together so that it forms a hair like structure like this, and then using Fevicryl I'm going to stick it to that oval piece, and then we'll add the flowers which we made and allow everything to dry completely. This is really an innovative kind of jewelry and I'm sure you will stand out if you make this and wear it. So I'm going to add flowers of different sizes, however it fits, like only 3 of them fit, so I added 3. If you're making a little bigger one, then maybe more flowers can be added. And in the similar way also you can make the earrings, but I'm choosing the other method, that is directly painting. I've just added rough sketch after it's dried completely. Now I'm going to take acrylic colors and color them. First I'm going to take flesh tint color, which will look like a skin color. Since this is a painting on clay, you usually have to put 2 coats at least. Then I'm going to color the hair with black color, then flowers with multiple colors. You can make it in any colors of your choice. Even for the earrings I made the same. I couldn't shoot that because it's quite tiny. You can make any design of your choice. I choose Frida. Now I'm going to take a zero brush and try to add the features to this earring and the finger ring base. Isn't she already looking pretty? Later for the earrings I am going to attach a tassel and then earring hook, and for the finger ring you get the finger ring base in any of the shops. You can buy them, it will cost you 2 to 5 rupees for one of them. And for the earring part I am going to add the flower using paint. You can also use that 3D flowers which we made, that also will look good. And you can add multiple flowers as well. I just added one. Like this our design is complete. Only after 2 days apply varnish. Until then please do not apply varnish, because if your paint is not dried then it will get smudged. So like this I completed the earring and added the finger ring base to the finger ring one. See how cute it looks. Isn't it pretty? Isn't it creative? Hope you like our channel content. Please like, share and subscribe. Please watch the video completely and help us grow. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.